Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a New Jersey resident dealing with a vehicle sale or inheritance, you might be wondering, what's the process for transferring a vehicle title? Don't worry. I'm here to break it down for you step by step. This is crucial because transferring a title ensures everything is legal and protects both buyers and sellers from future headaches. First things first, gather your documents. You'll need the original vehicle title, a bill of sale, proof of identity like a driver's license, and proof of insurance. If the vehicle has a lien, you'll also need a lien release form. Make sure everything is up to date to avoid delays. Next, the seller must sign the title over to the buyer. This includes filling out the assignment section on the back of the title with details like the sale date, price, and odometer reading. It's a good idea to have this notarized for extra security, though it's not always required. Once that's done, head to your local New Jersey Motor Vehicle Commission (MVC) office or handle it online through their website if you're tech savvy. You'll need to fill out Form BA-62 for title applications. Bring all your documents and be prepared to pay the transfer fees, which typically range from $60 to $100 depending on the vehicle. After submission, the MVC will process your application. This usually takes about 10 to 15 business days, but you can expedite it for an additional fee if you're in a rush. Once approved, you'll receive the new title in the mail. A quick tip: double check for any outstanding tickets or taxes on the vehicle, as these can hold up the transfer. And always keep copies of all paperwork for your records. There you have it. That's the straightforward process for transferring a vehicle title in New Jersey. If you follow these steps, you'll breeze through it. If you have questions or want more details, drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.